Welcome to Enovin Foods. Today I am making Ramadan Iftar special crispy tawa fried chicken drumsticks. Juicy inside, crispy outside, and full of bold flavors. Perfect for your iftar table. Let's start the recipe. Take 5 chicken drumsticks. Add 1 teaspoon vinegar, half teaspoon salt. Add water. Mix well and keep aside for 10 minutes. Then wash well. Make cut marks on the drumsticks. Making cut marks helps flavor go deep inside. Add 1 teaspoon ginger, 1 teaspoon garlic, 1 teaspoon crushed green chili, half teaspoon salt. Mix well. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Mix and keep aside for 30 minutes. In a bowl, mix 1/4 cup curd, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon kebab masala, and 1 egg. Mix well. Pour this over the chicken. Add coriander leaves, 2 tablespoon corn flour, 2 tablespoon flour. Mix well. Curd makes the chicken tender and juicy. Corn flour gives extra crispiness. Marinate for 10 minutes. Fry in medium heated oil for 12 to 15 minutes until tender and crispy. Tawa frying uses less oil than deep frying. Do not skip the initial vinegar wash. Marinate at least 30 minutes for best flavor. Fry on medium heat to cook evenly. Turn occasionally for golden color on all sides. Chicken is rich in protein for energy after fasting. Homemade spices control quality. Fresh herbs add natural flavor. Serve hot. Your crispy tawa fried chicken drumsticks are ready. Perfect for Ramadan Iftar with family. Try this recipe and share your feedback. Follow Enovin Foods for more Ramadan special recipes.